सिंपल सी बात है कि हम लर्निंग से इम्प्लीमेंटेशन तक नहीं पहुंच पाते. ओके, वी आर नॉट एबल टू पुश थ्रू फ्रॉम लर्निंग टू इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. वी नो अ लॉट, वी learn a lot, we want to move. It's not that we don't want to. It's not that we don't want to make 1 crore a month. It's not that we don't want to be financially free. It's not that we don't want peace of mind. It's not that we don't want confidence, but we are not able to move from one place to another. We are not able to take the required action, and that is happening because we are not in those 4 steps that are absolutely necessary to move from learning to implementation, which I am going to share with you now. First important step for moving to implementation is clarity of thought. What do you really want? This is exactly what we did in the session also. If you can clearly observe, closely observe, okay, what we did first is clear our mind as to what is success according to us. हम सक्सेस किस चीज को मानते हैं? If I want to achieve something, I need to have a clarity of exactly what I want to achieve and why I want to achieve what I want to achieve. सिद्ध ने बहुत प्यार से बोल दिया कि मुझे 1 करोड़ रुपए महीने के चाहिए. 100% पॉसिबल है, उसमें कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है. पर क्यों चाहिए? वाई डू यू वॉन्ट इट? इफ योर वाई इज नॉट क्लियर, if your thought is not clear, if your thought is not justified to your own self, you will never be able to implement. I want all of you to take a diary and a pen and note this point down. First step towards clarity, towards implementation, is clarity of thought. That is the first aspect, most important point. Clarity of thought. And today when I am working with business owners who have business around 1000 CR का business है, and this is where they are stuck, this is where they get stopped at that level also, where they constantly need support to clarify and clear their thoughts. It's an ongoing process. As some of you also said that it's fluid, है ना? हमारा जो सक्सेस का फॉर्मूला है या व्हाट वी वांट टू अचीव इज वेरी फ्लूइड. वी डोंट नो कि आज कुछ है, कल कुछ और होगा, परसों कुछ और ही होगा. वी डोंट नो, right? So it's very fluid. That is why clarity of thought at every stage of your life is absolutely important. Most important step is accepting that I am lacking this clarity of thought. Okay, so I am going to give you an idea how to become more and more clear as to what you want in your life. Okay, first thing that you have to do is something called mental sweep. Sweep यानी झाड़ू लगाना. Okay, आपको क्या करना है? You have to do a mental sweep first. Take a diary and a pen. Write all the thoughts that come to your mind regarding the problem at hand. Suppose if defining your career is a problem. Suppose if this is the decision I have to take and I don't know what to do, that is the problem. Sit, put that topic and just do a mind sweep of all the thoughts that are coming to your mind. Positive, negative, right, wrong, doesn't matter. Just vomit it. All you have to do is vomiting. You have to clean your mind, clear your mind and just put everything down on paper. The moment you vomit it outside, there is a space that is created in your mind that allows you to take a step forward in your decision making. So first thing is clarity of thought. जितना आप thought में clear हो, उतना implementation में clear हो. The more you are clear in your thoughts, the faster you are going to implement and the faster you are going to move closer to your goals, to the success that you define it as success. Second step is declaration. Again, reflect back to today's session. I asked you all what is success for you, and you all declared something for yourself that this is success for me. Now most people feel कि किसी को बताना नहीं. Don't tell anybody. Okay, don't share what you are going to do and what you are going to achieve. Keep it a secret. See, I believe in both the aspects of this dimension. It's a bipolar thought process. Okay, tell me how many of you believe कि बोलना चाहिए और कौन बोलते हैं नहीं बोलना चाहिए? Somebody said no. Okay. What else? Neutral but leaning towards no. Okay. Neutral but leaning. Okay. No, 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 no. क्या बात है यार. Superb. Superb, superb, superb. See, I'll tell you what happens. आपको अपने अचीवमेंट्स के बारे में जोर जोर से गा के नहीं बोलना चाहिए. आई अग्री, ठीक है. बट व्हेन यू डिक्लेयर टू समबडी when you declare somewhere, you become accountable for that thing. सपोज शिक्षा ने मुझे कहा कि मैम मैं कल से रोज सुबह 7 बजे जॉगिंग करने जाऊंगी. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस? शी इज कमिटेड टू दिस थॉट प्रोसेस बिकॉज शी डिक्लेयर्ड इट टू मी. और कुछ नहीं तो एटलीस्ट वो शर्म से उठ के जाएगी कि मुझे मैम को जवाब देना पड़ेगा यार. इफ आई डोंट गो आई हैव टू आंसर हर. व्हाट विल आई डू देन? ओके, सो डिक्लेयरिंग what you want to achieve and the results and ओ मुझे इतना पैसा मिल गया, ओ मैंने इतना सक्सेस कर लिया, वो ज़रूरी नहीं है. जबकि वो भी ज़रूरी है मार्केट करने के लिए खुद को आज के ज़माने में. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू शेयर योर सक्सेस ऑल्सो, बट देयर इज़ अ वे टू डू इट. ओके, सो व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट डिक्लेरेशन, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट committing yourself to the action, at least to the people that really truly care about you, who will unconditionally want only good things for you. Parents, very good Nidhi, superb. Parents, family, absolutely. Your family, your close चड्डी बड्डीज, वो एक दो लोग है ना जो एकदम ही क्लोज है, जो आपकी फैमिली वाले हैं, जो आपके पेरेंट्स है. पेरेंट्स द मोस्ट, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स विल ऑलवेज वांट व्हाट इज बेस्ट फॉर यू. सो यूज द पावर ऑफ डिक्लेरेशन. फर्स्ट टू डिक्लेयर टू योरसेल्फ, सेकंड टू डिक्लेयर टू दोज क्लोज वंस that I commit myself to this and I'm declaring to you so that I don't fall on my commitment, and I give you complete access and power that you can question me on it. This is tricky. क्यों पता है? क्योंकि अगर हमने बोल दिया ना पापा को कि पापा मैं कल से जाने वाली हूँ जॉगिंग करने, सो पापा क्या करेंगे कि सुबह 7 बजे उठाएंगे. क्या हुआ? जॉगिंग करने जाना था ना. और हमने तो पापा ऐसा मत करो, ये मत करो, वो मत करो. वी गेट agitated and irritated. Or you always do this. That is why I don't tell you anything and this and that. All types of tantrums. That is why I am saying that you have to give them complete power and authority, that they can question you on it, and you have to be okay. Next most important pillar for implementation is planning. Now हमें लगता है कि प्लान तो हाँ कर लिया ना, हमने बुक लिया, पेन लिया, 10 चीजें लिखी, प्लान इज रेडी. But the most important aspect in planning, now I am giving you a very important insight. This is going to help you in all the plans that you are making, okay, for your personal goals, for your professional goals, for any goals. Most important thing when you plan something is, by the end of your plan you must know what is my first action. प्लान बना लिया, अब मुझे कल क्या करना है या आज क्या करना है, that has to be clear. That is a good plan. Okay, suppose you are planning a trip to Himachal, for example. तो आप क्या करोगे? Okay, you'll see which places to go to, you'll fix up an itinerary, you'll check the prices of flight, train, whatever, however you prefer to travel, or bus if you want the complete adventure on its own, right? So you will explore all the options, you will see what all things are there. What is the next thing that you will do? Booking करोगे. See, simple, easy, कि भाई बुकिंग करना है. So how clear that action is for you जब आप प्लान करते हो. बट मुझे बताओ, जब लाइफ के लिए, करियर के लिए, कोई भी इवेंट के लिए आप प्लान करते हो, इज योर फर्स्ट एक्शन क्लियर? वी फील इट इज क्लियर इन आवर माइंड, बट जब आप एक्चुअली करने जाते हो ना, फर्स्ट एक्शन ही क्लियर नहीं होती. जैसे अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल जिम रोज जाना है. सी दिस इज द मोस्ट कॉमन थिंग, दैट इज आई कीप ब्रिंगिंग इट अप. ओके, मुझे रोज एक्सरसाइज करनी है. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट एक्शन यू शुड टेक? फर्स्ट एक्शन इज कि पहले जिम तो ढूंढो. हमको जिम जाना है, हमको जिम सिलेक्ट करना है, तो पहले जिम ढूंढना पड़ेगा ना. यू हैव टू गो, यू हैव टू एक्सप्लोर 5 जिम्स. अभी 5 जिम ढूंढने हैं, उसके लिए सबसे पहला एक्शन क्या होगा? गो ऑन गूगल एंड फाइंड जिम्स नियर मी. दिस इज द फर्स्ट एक्शन. आई एम सेइंग इतना डिटेल लेवल का प्लानिंग आपको करना होता है, where you know what is the exact first action. And last but not the least, building resources and support structure. You have to build resources and support structure. अगर आपको लगता है मैं 30 मार खान हूँ and I can do everything on my own, it doesn't work like that. At all stages of your life, you will need resources, you will need support structure, you will need a network of people. You have to learn how to network with people. You have to learn how to connect to another individual. You have to learn how to communicate with another individual so that you can build that kind of bond with them. create that support structure and those resources. When I say resources, I'm saying good powerful connections. I'm also saying good powerful things that you need to achieve your success. Okay, when I say resources, I'm saying knowledge. When I say resources, I'm saying skills. All these things come in resources. Okay, great. So let us revise all the 4 points, 4 aspects to implementation. First is clarity of thought. Your thoughts have to be absolutely clear and directional. Second is declaration. Believe in the power of declaration and declare your actions. Don't go all gaga about the results. Declare what you are going to do. That is most important to the people that really truly care about you and they love you with all their heart. Okay. Third is plan. Create a powerful plan such that you know the first action that you are supposed to take for the implementation to happen. And last but not the least, this is an ongoing process all throughout your life, is build powerful resources and support structure that is going to help you lead the life that you want to lead and create the success formula. Create the success that you want to achieve in your life.